Que onda su pecho arriba, las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio. Le enseño rolas de los rock, back frente, blast again, esto es para la gente.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very fresh chapter which is lines and angles. Okay, but first of all we will discuss about an angle. Angle means what? We have read in our previous classes about angle, but what it means? Let us try to understand about an angle. Actually, angle is nothing else. It is the inclination between two rays. Consider about this ray AC and AB. What will be the inclination between these two rays? Here, this one will be the inclination. इट मीन्स वॉट, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर दो रेज हुआ तो उस दोनों के बीच का इंक्लिनेशन, झुकाव, लाइक यू कैन सी द कॉर्नर ऑफ योर क्लास here you can see the corner of your class. You can see this one, this wall and this wall. What will be its inclination? This one will be its inclination, this one. Okay, so this will be called an angle. It means what? The inclination between two rays which have same starting point. Okay, here AC and AB both are starting from point A. Okay, so this will be called its inclination, the angle. Okay, in other words, when two rays originate from the same end point, then an angle is formed. Okay, now next to it we have to understand various things related to an angle. How we can write the name of an angle? This is the sign of an angle. If you want to write that, so you have to find the inclination. So this inclination will be find by writing BAC here. So this will be angle BAC. This is sign of angle and name of angle BAC. Means what? Inclination must comes in the mid. Okay, झुकाव बीच में आना चाहिए, याद रखिएगा. So angle BAC, this will be an angle. Or you can write also angle CAB. Again, what we can see? We can see that A comes in the middle. Okay, so angle must be come in the middle. Then you can indicate its inclination. It means what? Basically, we learned that the inclination between two rays which have same starting point. Okay, now next to it, other concept. There are various types of angle. It is very important to understand about the various types of an angle. Let us try to understand. Acute angle. First one is acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Here you can see this inclination. This inclination is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. That's why this will be an acute angle. Means what? आप कुछ थोड़ा सा इसको डिटेल में आप समझ सकते हो बड़ा आसानी से. आप दिमाग में इमेजिनेशन करो. Imagine in your mind that here is two rays. A, B, and on AB there is another ray, AC. Okay, but you can only see one ray. आप देखो ना, अगर एक हाथ के ऊपर हम दूसरा हाथ डाल दें तो आपको कितने हाथ दिखाई देते हैं? फिर भी तो एक ही हाथ दिखाई दे रहा है. नहीं, तो आप पहले रे को अगर दूसरे रे पे पूरी तरह से कॉन्साइड कर दो, ओवरलैप कर जाएगा, देन यू कैन सी ओनली वन रेस. बट इमेजिन इफ द सेकेंड रे स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग from this initial point and it comes at this point, then this inclination will be an angle. Okay, here the inclination is more than 0 degree. This one is 0 degree, but now this angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So this one will be called acute angle. Okay, next to it, right angle. It is clear from its name. Right means what? Right means 90. Okay, right angle. Angle, you know about angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree, exactly 90 degree, is called right angle. Here, this angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. You can write it angle BAC or angle CAB is a right angle. Okay, it means what? कोई भी एंगल जिसका मेजर एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री हो, एनी एंगल हुज मेजर इज एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री इज कॉल्ड राइट एंगल. अनदर वन, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means what? An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called acute angle. Here you can see, आपने देखा, अभी देखा आपने कि 90 डिग्री का एंगल कैसे बना था. हाउ 90 डिग्री एंगल इज फॉर्म. यहाँ पे एक रे और दूसरा रे उस पर परपेंडिकुलर था. ओके, सो राइट एंगल. बट अगर ये 90 से थोड़ा सा बढ़ाते हो, इमेजिनेशन करो कि अब ये इस पॉइंट पे आ गया तो इंक्लिनेशन तो बढ़ेगा ना बेटा. इट बिकम्स मोर देन 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो लाइक दैट हियर यू कैन सी द इंक्लिनेशन इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री. So this will be called what? Obtuse angle. Means what? Obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. ये 90 डिग्री से तो ज़्यादा होगा, लेकिन 180 डिग्री से क्या होगा? कम होगा. Okay, next to it is straight angle. Straight angle means what? An angle whose measure is 180 degree. It means what? Measure of that angle must be exactly 180 degree. Okay, like here you can see angle AOB. It is a straight line and you know that straight angle is 180 degree. So this one we call angle AOB. So angle AOB is a straight angle. यानी कि straight angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Next to it, reflex angle. Reflex means what? An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. ये ऐसा एंगल होता है जो 180 से तो बड़ा होता है लेकिन 360 से छोटा होता है. देखो ना, here what we have seen that the straight angle measure 180 degree but ये भी तो 180 हो जाएगा. यहाँ से अगर इमेजिन करो तो ये पूरा कितना होगा? 180. लेकिन ये इंक्रीज कर रहा है, अब बढ़ रहा है, यहाँ से ये 180 से ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. So this will be more than 180 degree. Okay, so an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Is that clear? Means ये 180 से तो बड़ा होगा but 360 से छोटा होगा. Next to it, complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 is called complete angle. ये एंगल पूरा 360 डिग्री का होता है, 360 डिग्री का. लाइक हियर दिस one is complete circle, means this is complete angle and its measure will be 360 degree.